Are you looking for the who makes the best picture frame clamps? Here we will break down the top 7 who makes the best picture frame clamps on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Can-Do clamp. Starting our list with the Can-Do clamp, which handle picture frames easily. So when you're engaging in a D project that has to do with picture frames, go for the Can-Do clamp. It can ensure seamless completion of high-quality frames that'll stand any level of handling. The clamp itself is durable. It works perfectly in joining corners with the same wood thickness. It aligns them perfectly and gives your product the best recognition. This tool is straightforward to use since you can mount it on your workbench anytime. Moreover, the aluminum construction of the body ensures sturdiness and a lightweight experience. We all know how important it is to work with a strong and light tool as a woodworker. So, this brand is a gift for every woodworker, whether professionals or newbies. Another part of the Can-Do clamp we appreciate is the T-handle. This design ensures that users can adjust the handle anytime and as easily too. Also, the T-handle enables users to turn the clamp more strongly as a result of the firm grip it ensures. We can't fail to point out that this Can-Do clamp can serve well during framing, doweling, drilling, etc. Moreover, it doesn't waste time to secure the two parts together. We want to point out that the subpar paint used on the body can mark your wood with red color, and that may not be okay. But if you're careful, you can avoid such situations. At number 2. POWERTEC 71017 Quick Release Band Clamp Woodworking Frame Clamping Strap Holder. POWERTEC is a perfect band clamp for use with round, square, and asymmetrical shaped workpieces. This product is an apparatus with great versatility. Besides, this band clamp provides 2 layers of adjusting capacity. Primarily, the quick-release levers would seamlessly customize to your workpiece. In this manner, it assures a firm fit in the position you want. Then, the handy hand screw streamlines the subsequent contraction and adjustment. Also, a uniform, firm and stable pressure is imposed on the workpiece you are working on. Overall, the 71017 band clamp is impeccable for use with frames, boxes, barrels, etc. Plus, the product offers a band size up to 1 inch wide and 13 feet long, which makes it convenient for fastening the clamp. Because it has a sturdy nylon webbing, it provides ultimate stability to the aligning works as well. At number 3. Right Angle Clamp Housolution Single Handle 90 Degrees Aluminum Alloy Corner Clamp. If you are looking for a lightweight corner clamp that is not only versatile but quite easy to operate, then the Housolution Right Angle Clamp is the one for you. It was designed with woodworking in mind. Just a simple twist of the screwdriver-like mechanism and the vice bolt retracts along a fixed threaded shaft. Then place the wood, cinch it up, and you are ready to glue, nail, or screw it in place. It is made of aluminum alloy, so it is exceptionally light, which makes it the perfect corner clamp if you must travel for your woodworking business or hobby. It has a photo frame vise holder with an adjustable swing jaw, which can accommodate 2 wood blocks of different thicknesses to be joined seamlessly. And the rubber-coated handle on the clamp mechanism allows the user to give it an added twist without the handle slipping while torquing the blocks in place. At number 4. Kreg KHC90 DCC 90 Degree Corner Clamp. This unique right angle clamp from Kreg features a self-squaring design that automatically aligns joints to a 90-degree angle when compressed. It also features an L handle for quick release to ensure ease of use. Its innovative swivel head can easily adjust for thicknesses up to 1/4 inch. This right angle clamp also has a large heat-treated steel clamping surface with nickel plating for longevity and protection of soft woods against workpiece imprints. It is perfect for shelf installation and drawer construction. Right angle clamps are versatile, thus, are used in numerous workpieces such as doweling, screwing, drawer construction, framing, shelf installation and more. Although they are numerous in the market, top-quality right angle clamps are very few, and that is why we have the above reviews. Despite featuring different designs and styles, the highlighted right angle clamps have the same performance and functionality. Ideally, their prices are within an affordable range, so you do not have any obstacle getting a premium quality product. Right angle clamps are versatile, thus, are used in numerous workpieces such as doweling, screwing, drawer construction, framing, shelf installation and more. Although they are numerous in the market, top-quality right angle clamps are very few, and that is why we have the above reviews. Despite featuring different designs and styles, the highlighted right angle clamps have the same performance and functionality. Ideally, their prices are within an affordable range, so you do not have any obstacle getting a premium quality product. At number 5. WolfCraft 3,415,405 Quick Jaw Right Angle 90 Degree Corner Clamp. Here is one strong corner clamp you need when making box frames and cabinets. Yes. This brand is sturdy and can deliver impressive results on these projects all the time. When it comes to setting it up, you don't have anything to worry about. Once you position the boards accurately, then tighten the clamp screws, everything is set to work. You can use this clamp to align and clamp parts for welding, screwing, and nailing. For instance, when you want to make cabinets, picture frames or even box frames, your best bet is the WolfCraft 3415405. No matter how simple or complicated you have it, this clamp is suitable. Another thing to appreciate about this product is that it works 3 different purposes. It can be the clamping device you need to make 90 degrees corner joint. It also doubles as a guide to your saw for 45 degrees miter cuts. Also, it can become your workbench vise when you need such a requirement for your project. We love many things about this WolfCraft corner clamp. It has very massive jaws of 2.5 inches capacity. With this size, you can seamlessly carry out your work, no matter the nature or scope of your project. For instance, there are picture frames that are wider than the standard sizes. That's the type you can achieve with this corner clamp. This corner clamp comes with an effective quick release mechanism that helps to fasten your work. But you must handle it with care to prevent breakdown. The reason is that the mechanism also facilitates the tightening process of the clamp. So, if it fails, you can't tighten the corner clamp ever. At number 6. Housolution Right Angle Clamp, Single Handle 90 Degrees Corner Clamp. Made popular by its excellent durability, this right-angle clamp apparatus from Housolution is manufactured from a premium aluminum alloy-based die casting material. Other than this, the material is responsible for enhancing durability and longevity. At the same time, it basically permits 2 wood blocks of diverse thicknesses to be fastened at a 90-degree angle. As a result, it is commonly perceived that this Housolution apparatus is ideal for nailing, aligning, welding, woodworking, screwing, preparation of cabinets and picture frames. The product also comes with a sliding T-shaped single handle to offers convenience holding during working. Coupled with a retractable rotary jaw, this makes the product easy to align and securely hold the workpieces together with accuracy. Also, the handle is nicely equipped with an anti-skid mechanism to ensure workers' safety during holding it. At number 7. WETOLS Angle Clamp 90 Degree Right Angle Clamp. If you have had trouble in the past finishing a cabinet or furniture piece because your angle clamp was being, for lack of a better word, uncooperative, then you are going to love this. The WETOLS angle clamp may look like most of the clamps available on the market, but even though its design shares some common traits, it is a whole different animal. The aluminum alloy is dense, durable, and can handle being used regularly for any woodworking task you need it for. The jaws can open to almost 3 inches, making it great for cinching up 2x4s. The ergonomic anodized rubber handle on the clamping mechanism won't slip out of your hand, even if your hand is wet. And the 2-way swing jaw design only adds to its level of versatility.